Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Revere. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use iMovie. So you all been wondering how to use iMovie and how to edit like a pro. Well, today I'm going to teach you guys how to do that because I know a little tricks I learned on the way learning how to use iMovie. So let's get started with it. The first thing you gotta do is you gotta download iMovie. So right now I already have iMovie, and then now you just select a project. You can just make a new one. So I'll press movie, and I'm just gonna create. So you can add multiple videos, like you can click on it, and it'll go like that. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna create a movie, and now since you don't have any videos, you can press this button, and now you can see me, guys. Hi. And you can make a video like that. And also we have the moments where you can put all your photos. You want to add it, you just click on it and you press the plus, then you can add something like that. Or if you're like just a normal, you can also add something like an audio like that. You can also do that too. So you can also add audio, like some soundtracks. You have these soundtracks, or you can like import it to movie. And yeah. So first I'm gonna make a quick video. Alright guys, this is a test, blah blah blah. I'm just gonna say whatever I want, guys. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use iMovie with the simple tricks and texts and stuff. And yeah. So now you're going to use video. And now you can see you have your text, right? So now what you can do is you have a couple of options. When you tap on it, it'll bring you to this. You have a delete thing there. You have filters, titles, volume, speed, and actions. So we're going to start with actions. What you can do is you can duplicate it, which means you can make more of it. You can also detach the audio. You can detach the audio. And now you can also press this button, the redo button, if you want to go back. And we also have a split button. This is going to be really helpful if you want to talk while doing texts. Like if you don't want to show your voice or face, you can do this way. Like you can split this. And now you can put a text that says something like hi guys. That's not how you spell guys. Anyway, so now that you got this, it will stop exactly there, which means you won't have it for the whole entire video. And then you can also put another text. I'm going to put whatever I want. I'm just going to put an emoji. I'm just going to put that. Hi, guys. So now, guys, this is a test. When I now play it. Guys, this is a test. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to say whatever I want, guys. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to use iMovie with the simple tricks and texts and stuff. And yeah. So now, if you're going to add something like, I'm going to make another video real quick. So I'm going to make another video right now. I'm making another video. You can see my face. Hello, everyone. So now what you can do now is you can have the idea of flipping it. Like pretend you say, I'm so flipping mad. At that point, you can split it at that place. And you take your two fingers and you just circle around. Like you go to this top screen and circle like that. That causes it to flip. So now you can see I flipped it. This can also be helpful with other things. So now I'm going to flip it back. And we also have speed. You can speed it. You can speed it. See my face? Hello, everyone. See? You can speed it. You can also freeze it. You can also freeze. So once you freeze it, delete that part. You can also freeze it, as you can see. The video right now. See? See, you can freeze it. And you can also put the volume down. You can see right if you want to put the volume down or high. And now we got the filters, which is the exciting part. You can put like a western or a vintage or silent or like an old kind of thing. A duotone, dreamy, camo, or anything. So now I'm going to delete all these things and I'll show you how pro it looks. Hey guys, welcome back to another video or review today. Today we're going to talk about why Roblox Skyblock was taken down. I'm like so flippin' mad because of it. And I wish we can go back to the old days where it used to be called Skyblocks. I'm like getting vintaged. Alright, so now what you can do is you can watch the magic. Guys, welcome back to another video or review today. Today we're going to talk about why Roblox Skyblock was taken down. I'm like so flippin' mad. Was taken down. I'm like so. So we're going to start with that point. We're going to split it. I'm flippin' mad because. And now we're going to split it again. So now what you can do is you can flip it like I told you. So now watch this. Back to another video or review today. Today we're going to talk about why Roblox Skyblock was taken down. I'm like so flippin' mad because of it. And I wish we can go back to the old. So now what we gotta do. And I wish we can go back to the old days. So we're gonna stop right there, split the old days. And now I'm gonna split again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the filter of this to silent era. So now watch. And I wish we can go back to the old days where it used to be called Skyblocks. I'm like getting vintage. Alright, now we're going to split this part, filters, and now we're going to put vintage. Getting vintaged. So now let's watch the whole thing. Guys, welcome back to another video or review today. Today we're going to talk about why Roblox Skyblock was taken down. I'm like so flippin' mad because of it. And I wish we can go back to the old days where it used to be called Skyblocks. I'm like getting vintaged. So now you can see that thing. But I'm also going to teach you something on how to do this. You can add pictures. So you go to moments, and we need to go to photo. So you can see something like this, like animatronics awakened. You can press that. Then you see the 3 lines, right? You press this. You have an option to put a cutaway, which is going to do. I'm going to show you guys these all later in the video. We got split screen, green, blue screen, and picture. So we're going to show you picture by picture. Picture by picture does this. You can tap on it to take off the white line. You can do this to move it anywhere. You can take this to zoom in it. You can take this to zoom. See, now you can see that thing come up, which is cool. And you can also change the filter of it, which is also cool. And also we can do split screens, which is this. Which is this. Split screens is that. You can do like for a battle, something like that. Then we also got a green blue screen, which is this. So we're going to tap on the color. Boom. Green blue screen. That's pretty sick. Also we also got cutaway, which is this. When you put the cutaway, it immediately switches and goes over to that. But you can still hear yourself talking. So now you got all that covered. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to put music. So I'm going to put non-copyright music. I'm going to put, which song should I put? I'm going to be putting, Castle in the Sky. So you can press this and put audio. And then you can hear. Won't you take me home? Getting also got this song. You can always screen record it and then put it, and then you can get it into iMovie. Anyway, guys, that will teach you guys for today. Tomorrow we'll teach you guys basic formats and themes. So anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Before anything else, please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, guys, if you want more iMovie tutorials. I will see you guys really soon, and bye-bye.